Hey!
Selling on eBay, take one. How do you know what? Hello Zikers, it's the beginning of a new year. Only good things ahead of us. So it's time to work on yourself, as well as your wallet. In this video, I will go over 4 selling methods that can help you make $100 a week selling on eBay. And those 4 methods include dropshipping, wholesale, selling secondhand product, and reselling. An extra $100 a week is not bad, right? Let me describe these 4 methods for you so you can better understand what best fits for you. First, dropshipping. An order fulfillment method that does not require a business to keep products in stock. So there's no need in having a house full of brown boxes waiting on a sale. Instead, you find an item that's doing well on eBay. But how do you know if an item is doing well on eBay? Simple. By using the Zeek product research to get that information. So once you have gathered all of that information, then you head over to your supplier and find the same item or similar item that's selling on eBay. But of course, you find it for a cheaper price. Then you take that item from your supplier and put it in your eBay store for a higher price. An example of this would be an item on eBay is selling for $15 and you find the same item with your supplier for $10. You take the item from your supplier and post it to your eBay store for $14.95, which is a little bit cheaper than your competitor on eBay that's selling it at $15. But you're still making a profit from the sales. So then you have a customer who comes into your store and buys that item. He puts in all of his information, and all you do is go to your supplier, give your supplier your customer's information, and your supplier sends the item to the customer, but you keep the difference. In other words, you're the middleman. For in-depth videos about dropshipping, click here. Also, hang in there. In the end of this video, I will share my screen and show you examples of people earning money by dropshipping. Second, wholesale. The sale of goods or merchandise to retailers, such as industrial, commercial, institutional, or other professional business users. And another method that can help you make that extra $100 a week, selling secondhand products. Owning something you have no use for any longer and selling it on eBay as a used product. You may ask, are there people actually doing this? Yes, there are. And I'll show you some examples.
Here are some examples on eBay of people selling their secondhand used iPhones. Here the first item is an Apple iPhone 6 Plus, 128 gigabytes. It's silver unlocked, and it's selling for $179. You have the iPhone 8 Plus for $225, iPhone X for $380, and so on. Another example of people selling used items are Sony cameras. Now, the easiest way to find items that are selling on eBay and that are used is simply type in the search bar here the item that you have that you want to sell. And here on the left, you have some filters. You would filter out the condition as used. And down below here, you will show only completed items or sold items. This way, you will get the best information to see what used items are being sold and at what prices.
Then we have reselling. Buying items at a local store for less money and selling those items on eBay to make a profit. So for an example, a local sporting goods store is closing up and they're selling everything at half off or more. Run in there and get all the, what do I get? What are eBay shoppers looking for? How do you know that if you buy something, it will sell and not just sit in your house forever. Which brings me to my next point. I can give you definitions of these methods all day, but what it really comes down to is one thing, which is how do you know what products to sell? What's actually being sold or searched for on eBay? What do eBay shoppers want? What do they need? There is a really simple solution to all of this, and it's simply using the Zeek Analytics product research tool. This tool will make sure you list products that will sell for profit, and it doesn't even matter where you are. If you're driving by a store that's having a huge sale, just use the Zeek app to check out the stats for each item you come across. Enough talk, Ella. Put your money where your mouth is. I've heard that one before. Let's check it out.
I used Zeek Analytics to analyze a few eBay competitors, and look what I found. We have this seller here coming from Cyprus. His sales earnings are over $10,000 and his average product price is $23. Now scrolling down to his product list, you can see this very first item here with the photo, and the title is a trimmer razor comb, the magic mistake-proof do-it-yourself haircut trimmer. Now this item has 13 30-day sales. So in the last 30 days, this seller managed to sell his item 13 times. And lifetime sales is 56. Now the current price on eBay for this item is $19.99. And you can see that there are 7 other competitors selling the same item, which is good because we always look for less than 10 competitors. So now your next step would be to click on the title to open this item up on eBay. So here on eBay, you can see that there are 9 available, 61 sold for $19.99. The shipping is free, standard international shipping, and the item location is China. So now you can go back to Zeek Analytics and you can go ahead and click on this red cross, which means to add the supplier product manually. Here we're going to go ahead and search the title on AliExpress to see what types of items come up. And now here on AliExpress, it's very important to look for a similar item or the same item. And you can see here that this item is pretty much the same as this item here. It's called just a trimmer as well as here. So we're going to go ahead and click on it to get a little bit more information about this item on AliExpress. Here you can see that the item is coming from China. It costs $2.94 and the shipping price is $6.51, which brings the total cost of this to $9.45. Now this seller is selling it on eBay for $19.99. So when you do some calculation with this item, to check out the profit that's being made by this seller, you would take $19.99 minus 14% of eBay and PayPal fees, minus 30 cents that also fall under the eBay and PayPal fees, minus the AliExpress price of $2.94, and minus the shipping cost to the US of $6.51, you would see that this seller here makes a profit of $7.44 for every sold item. Now this seller sold this item 56 times. So when you take $7.44 times 56, that's a $416 profit.
This is how Zeek can help you find products and guarantee you profit. Click the link in the description to join Zeek Analytics today. If you're interested in seeing how Zeek Analytics can help you generate more sales, watch these videos. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and content like this.